Mike here at Jet Fresh Flower Distributors at Jet Fresh Flower Studios in beautiful Miami, Florida.
Welcome to Jet Fresh Flowers.
Good morning, Jet Freshers. This is Tina. I'm your official sales Jet Fresh mom. Not only do I have to bring brownies in and food in for my children here, but I also want to show everybody what my favorite flowers are for Mother's Day. I think any mother would be happy to have any one of the flowers I'm about to point out in their arrangement for Mother's Day. We are right now in our cash and carry, so any of you local people who are here in Miami, feel free to come on in and shop our beautiful selection. But for all of our out-of-town customers, we also have all of this in boxes, in our cooler, available for you to buy today. We have a couple trucks left for the end of the holiday. You can get any of this on the trucks today, tomorrow, and still have it in time for Mother's Day. So let me show you a couple of flowers that I think would be beautiful in any Mother's Day arrangement. One of my favorites, tulips. I love tulips. I think tulips are such a unique, vibrant color. They last. You'd be surprised how long tulips last. And they continue to grow as you leave them in the vase. So any of these colors would be great for Mother's Day. Moving up here, we have the ranunculus. These are gorgeous. I love ranunculus. They come in pink and in whites. We even have, if one of my children, Ryan, can pan over here, where are my other ranunculus? Here. We have beautiful coral color ranunculus and some orange. Any of these colors will do. I also have, where are my peonies? Peonies are here. We have a ton of peonies in inventory now. Mike has done a spectacular job of procuring peonies from the motherland in all colors, pinks and whites. Let's also pan over to this, one of my other favorite. It's still in the tulip family. Look at this gorgeous tulip. Is that not gorgeous? We don't just carry the standard tulips, we carry the parrots and the French. So you can have a lot of choices when it comes to tulips. One other thing that's a big fan of mine, or favorite of mine, back on up, Brian, look at my hyacinth. This is spectacular. It's so beautiful for springtime. Comes in pink and in white. They are just amazing. They also come from the motherland. And if Ryan wants to pan up, look at the calla lilies we have. If you were to mix calla lilies and some of our ranunculus and our tulips in a bouquet, my God, would that be amazing. Our Veronica is another spectacular product that is so springtime oriented. Moving on, just one other thing. Look at these lilies we have. I'm not a very tall person, but I'm certainly about 5'3", and look how high these come to me. These lilies are probably over 3 feet tall. Could you imagine putting this in a tall vase in your house? What a spectacular look that would be. And they come in all of the beautiful colors, Orientals and LAs. So between all of this out here in our cash and carry and all of the boxes we have in the back in the cooler, I'm sure that you can find anything and everything you need here right at Jet Fresh Flowers. So please give us a call, 305-499-9144, and we'll be happy to fill any of your Mother's Day orders. Thank you.